Welcome back to the channel. Today we are learning the features of Python in a super easy and beginner-friendly way. If you are new to programming, Python is the best language to start with. So let's begin. 1. Easy to read and write. Python looks almost like English. Because of simple syntax, your code becomes very clean and readable. 2. Free and open source. You can download Python completely free. Its source code is open for everyone to use and improve. 3. High-level language. Here, you don't need to worry about memory or hardware. Python handles all complex things automatically. 4. Portable. Write your code once and run it anywhere, Windows, Mac, Linux, no changes required. 5. Interpreted language. Python runs code line by line. This makes debugging simple and fast. 6. Object-oriented. Python supports classes, objects, inheritance, all major OOP concepts to create large applications. 7. Huge standard library. It includes hundreds of modules like math, datetime, random, OS. So you don't have to write everything from scratch. 8. Dynamic typing. No need to declare variable types. Python changes the type automatically based on value. 9. Multiple programming styles. It supports procedural, functional, and object-oriented programming. 10. Cross-platform. The same Python code runs on multiple operating systems. 11. Memory management. Python automatically removes unused data using a garbage collector. 12. Perfect for AI, ML and data. Python is extremely popular in AI, machine learning, and data science. Libraries like NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow make it super powerful. 13. Web development. Using Django, Flask, and Fast API, you can build advanced websites and APIs. 14. Automation. Python scripts can automate daily tasks, testing, file handling, and much more. Clapperboard outro. So these were the major features of Python. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.